on, bud. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh no. Yep, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No, we're staying here. We are not. Let's go, bud. Let's go, bud. We gotta assert ourselves, boys. Oh, okay. Free spot. I'll take it. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Cart is a little slippery. Sorry, bud. I turned that horribly. My tires slipped. We've made it to the front. And now for survival. I don't even know how many laps are in this race. This car's a little slidey. We can make do. We can make do. There's a huge train of people there. Seems like it's going to be pretty hard for me to be caught unless I really mess up. There are 8 laps left. This might just be some good old race winning ASMR. Be sure to like and subscribe for all of your go-kart ASMR content. Thank you, I love you. I guess it's possible something bad could happen. I'm not going to jinx myself too early. Good beginning of the race, though. Very entertaining at the beginning. Yeah, I think working on the hairpin in the previous race, I think it's helping. I think I am getting a little more speed this way by getting on the gas a little earlier. Every little bit counts, right? Every little bit counts. It's got to be as efficient as possible. I've definitely been getting on the gas too late in previous races. Am I gonna almost lap the people at the back? That's hilarious. I'm getting pretty close. There are a couple more laps. It might have been possible. I think that's the end. I'm pretty sure that's the end. Okay, good. Oh man.